sunrise, the village transformed for the first time in centuries. Villagers saw their face shining in the river mirror and metal balls. The curse was broken for forever, but Alice, who had broke the curse, walked in, and Alice walked towards the river and saw nothing staring back. His reflection was gone forever, taken into the mirror realm to free the others. Yet he smiled because he knew he had given the village a gift they had forgotten, their true selves. And so, uh, and so the legend spread. The brave traveler and the village with no reflections.